What's the meaning of callously? Callously. Callously.
Callously. Callously. Callously refers to acting or speaking in a way that shows an utter disregard for the feelings or well-being of others. It implies a lack of empathy or compassion towards others and often involves behaving with cruelty or indifference. Callous behavior can have severe consequences, both for the person exhibiting it and for those around them. Individuals who act callously may find themselves ostracized by others and may struggle to form meaningful relationships. Their actions can also cause lasting harm to those they interact with, including emotional distress and physical harm. Overall, callous behavior is widely considered to be harmful and undesirable.